Breakfast was first used in written English in the 15th century to describe the morning meal. The word breakfast basically meant breaking the fasting period of the night. Although the word breakfast might not be old, the art of having a morning meal is nothing new. When we think of breakfast, the typical loaded eggs, pancakes, and bacon probably comes to mind. Unfortunately, these food items are usually not ideal for weight loss, especially if they are made in the traditional American style. If you're the type of person that can't get through your day without having breakfast but still want to lose weight, then today's content will be just what you're looking for. Welcome back to the Good Health Gorilla. In today's video, we'll be going over 6 rules on how to eat breakfast for weight loss and 10 healthy breakfast foods to start you off. Stay tuned. Breakfast is referred to as the most important meal of the day for good reason. As breakfast brings the overnight fasting period to an end, it replenishes your glucose supply, boosting alertness and energy levels significantly. At the same time, breakfast offers other vital nutrient requirements that aid in enhancing overall well-being. While skipping breakfast for fasting has become popular over the years, it can still provide a lot of benefits as long as they are well-balanced meals. Here's how having a nutritious breakfast every morning will help you lose weight. It keeps track of your appetite. In addition to replenishing your energy stores after 10 hours of fasting, having breakfast will get you on track when it comes to making healthy choices throughout the day while helping you remain full for an extended period, eliminating the need for snacking before lunchtime. It provides the body with essential nutrients. Breakfast foods are often rich in essential nutrients such as iron, vitamin B complex, calcium, and fiber to offer the body plenty of your day's nutrient intake. Most individuals who have breakfast tend to meet the recommended dietary allowance of minerals and vitamins per day. It enhances overall well-being. Breakfast is often associated with a healthy lifestyle, and this is because it aids in lowering the chances of developing conditions such as diabetes and heart diseases. Eating a balanced breakfast is about understanding the nutritional content of the foods you are adding to your plate. To ensure you make the right choices when figuring out what to have in the morning, here are 6 healthy breakfast rules to abide by. Number 1. Incorporate protein-rich foods. If you are thinking of losing weight, then having more protein than carbs for your breakfast will help you achieve that with ease. Protein-rich foods such as eggs can reduce appetite when consumed for breakfast, giving your weight loss goal an incredible boost. In addition to being rich in protein, eggs are rich in essential minerals and vitamins, making them an excellent breakfast meal for weight loss. Number 2. Mind certain cereals. Not all breakfast cereals are ideal for weight loss. Therefore, you will need to consider whole grain cereals such as oats and barley. Whole grain breakfast cereals have been proven to be ideal for managing weight since they are rich in dietary fiber and proteins while low in calories. For instance, a wheat germ, a high fiber breakfast cereal, reduces food intake by significantly reducing one's appetite and stabilizing blood sugar. Number 3. Replace sugary foods with fruits. Like breakfast cereals, fruits are rich in dietary fiber, making them an excellent alternative to sugary breakfast cereals, especially for individuals with a sweet tooth. Fruits such as bananas have over 100 calories while at the same time delivering 3 grams of dietary fiber. This gives you 12% of the recommended dietary allowance or RDA of fiber per day in a single serving. Therefore, having bananas for breakfast will keep you feeling full for an extended period, thus reducing your food intake. Number 4. Avoid naked carbs. Carbohydrates are essential energy sources. However, it is highly recommended that you have your toast along with protein, fat, or fiber. This will help boosting satiety while maintaining a stable blood sugar level. In fact, having these 4 components together will always be better. With these 4 in place, you will receive all the essential nutrients while keeping watch on your weight. However, when incorporating these components, you will need to factor in the RDA for each component in order to attain your weight goal. Number 5. Drink smoothies on the go. Making a simple smoothie will not only help in weight loss, but also save you money. Design a simple smoothie by putting a cup of frozen or fresh fruits in your blender along with skimmed milk and low-fat Greek yogurt. Blend your mixture and it will be ready to serve. Smoothies are an excellent way of boosting dietary fiber intake to help reduce hunger and enhance weight loss. While making a smoothie, avoid adding several high-calorie components. Number 6. Eat slowly. This might come as a surprise to many, but eating your breakfast slowly is an excellent way of making your breakfast satisfying. It is a common practice in mindful eating, and it aids in weight loss significantly. To enjoy your meal accordingly, you should eat slowly, ensuring that it lasts at least 30 minutes. Although this time might not be realistic for breakfast, you should try and extend your breakfast time by at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now, to give you an idea of delicious foods to add to your breakfast in the morning for effective weight loss, here are 10 of the best breakfast foods to start eating today. Number 10. Avocados. This fruit is already one of the best choices for weight loss and a delicious choice to have for breakfast. One of the best ways to lose weight is to eat foods that are high in satiety, such as avocados. These type of foods will help you stay full for longer, thereby making it easy to eat at a caloric deficit. Add avocados with your toast for your next breakfast and see how satisfying it can make your morning. Number 9. Yogurt. For all individuals with a sweet tooth out there, yogurt makes an excellent addition to your weight loss diet. Creamy, delicious, and very satisfying yogurt, particularly Greek yogurt, is rich in protein, making it a perfect breakfast meal for weight loss. Combining a Greek yogurt cup along with chia seeds or fruits will act as an excellent nutritious breakfast. Such breakfast dishes will decrease hunger and food consumption, hence lowering your risk of gaining weight. Number 8. Green tea. If you are into tea, you probably know green tea is a fat-burning beverage. Scientists have studied green tea extensively for its fat-burning ability and metabolism, and the results are promising. The components in green tea have been proven to aid in burning fat and excess calories, making it a perfect breakfast beverage for weight loss. And the best part is that you can enjoy this beverage in various ways. Number 7. Coffee. Studies have shown that having a cup of coffee for breakfast could bring various weight loss benefits. Since coffee is rich in caffeine, you will be able to lose weight through enhanced metabolism. Although coffee doesn't make a perfect breakfast on its own, you can have it with healthy snacks to help you reach your weight loss goal with ease. Therefore, consuming coffee for an extended period will aid in weight control. Number 6. Tofu scramble. Tofu is a soy-based product made from condensed soy milk. Having tofu for breakfast will help in weight loss while reducing the chances of developing cardiovascular disease, including stroke. Tofu is an excellent way of reducing your bad cholesterol intake and helps in weight reduction. You can fry sliced onions and red bell pepper in medium heat until it softens and add your tofu and prepare it before serving. This meal is not only delicious but also healthy. Number 5. Eggs. Eggs are undoubtedly healthy and very delicious. Several studies have shown that having eggs for breakfast aids in increasing satiety, reduces the caloric intake in your next meal, and improves insulin levels, hence maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Furthermore, egg yolks are rich in zeaxanthin and lutein, which are antioxidants that aid in preventing eye disorders such as macular degeneration. Number 4. Oatmeal. If you love having cereal first thing in the morning, then you should consider oatmeal. It is considered the best choice for breakfast cereal. Made from ground oats, oatmeal is equipped with a unique dietary fiber known as the oat beta-glucan. Its fiber has various health benefits, including reduced cholesterol levels. In addition to that, beta-glucan promotes the feeling of fullness by increasing the hormone, which helps in weight loss. Number 3. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are very nutritious and an excellent source of dietary fiber. An ounce of chia seeds offers 11 grams of dietary fiber per serving. The best part is that its fiber is viscous, which means it absorbs water, hence increasing your food's volume in the digestive tract, allowing you to feel full for an extended period. Additionally, chia seeds are excellent antioxidants and protect you against free radicals that are often produced during metabolism. Number 2. Nuts. In addition to being nutritious, nuts are tasty and very satisfying, making them excellent breakfast meals for weight management. Although nuts have a high amount of calories, studies have shown that your body will not absorb all the fat content. In fact, the body will only absorb 129 calories of an ounce of almond serving. All nuts are ideal for weight management, therefore you should consider incorporating them in your breakfast meal. Number 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are also healthy and rich in viscous fiber, allowing you to feel full for an extended period after eating. In addition to that, flax seeds are also associated with improving insulin sensitivity, reducing blood sugar levels, and protecting against breast cancer. Having flax seeds for breakfast is an excellent way of boosting your antioxidant content and dietary fiber intake. So there you have it. Do you know any other great food choices to have in the morning? And what other topics covering a list of healthy options would you like to see us cover? Share with us your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed today's video, check out this related video to see more. Until next time.